Mick Jagger's longtime partner, Melanie Hamrick, recently revealed that she has been engaged to the Rolling Stones frontman for several years. In an interview with French magazine Paris Match, the 37-year-old former ballerina shared this personal news, though she expressed uncertainty about whether the couple would ever marry. She mentioned that while they are incredibly happy with their current relationship, she is hesitant to make any changes, even considering marriage. Hamrick and Jagger, who began their relationship in 2014, welcomed their son, Devereaux Devi Octavian Basil Jagger, in 2016. This marked the birth of Jagger's 8th child from his 5th partner. Reflecting on their relationship, Hamrick emphasized the importance of mutual support, happiness, and ensuring that both of them are content, which she believes is the key to their success. Rumors about their engagement first surfaced in June 2023 when Hamrick was spotted wearing a diamond ring on her wedding finger. While she confirmed the ring was a gift from Jagger, she remained ambiguous about its significance. Jagger has been married once before, to Bianca Jagger in 1971, though they separated in 1978. Together, they have a daughter, Jade. Jagger has several other children from different relationships, including Carice with actress Marsha Hunt, Elizabeth, James, Georgia, and Gabriel with model Jerry Hall, and Lucas with Luciana Gimenez Murad. The couple's relationship began in February 2014 when they met backstage at a Rolling Stones concert in Tokyo. At the time, Hamrick was touring Japan with the American Ballet Theatre. Reflecting on their first encounter, Hamrick noted that while there was a spark, it wasn't a dramatic moment. They didn't exchange contact details, and although Hamrick wasn't in a relationship, Jagger was. Just a month later, Jagger's longtime girlfriend, fashion designer Loren Scott, tragically passed away. In the aftermath of her death, Jagger expressed his difficulty in understanding the loss of his partner and best friend. It was 5 months later that Hamrick and Jagger reconnected after a mutual acquaintance shared her contact details. This led to their reunion in Zurich, where their romantic relationship began.